SR Contractors is a Portland, Oregon-based contractor that has been working for the last 20 years to improve the seismic resiliency of residential and commercial buildings using our innovative SR foam. In this video, we are pouring our foam to support and reinforce a residential foundation. The framing assembly that you see is an example of SR Contractors' BSW wall system. During the SR foam placement, we had the opportunity to view the last few inches of SR foam being placed in the wall with the window jamb boards removed, which allows us to observe the expansion and bonding of the SR foam. The foam rises and expands in all unrestrained directions, and as it rises, it bonds to both the concrete and plywood walls. The SR foam is flowable for the first 10 to 15 seconds before it begins to expand. For the first 5 minutes of expansion, the foam expands quickly, and as it expands, it bonds to the substrates that it encounters. Foam expansion then continues at a slower rate for up to 30 minutes, depending on ambient temperatures. SR foam was specified on this project to strengthen the unreinforced concrete foundation. This strengthening will provide significant stability to the foundation of the residence in the event of an earthquake. SR foam will also help limit water intrusion because of its vapor barrier properties and provide insulation to the basement walls. To learn more about SR Contractors and our SR foam, visit our website at www.sr-contractors.com or call us at 503-246-1480.